Alright, so you do have a one-car garage here, pretty spacious. Probably won't fit my truck, but... And then your entrance is right here. You do need a key for this. You do have bottom floor units here. So it's kind of interesting, all the patios are in the main walkway as you come through this. And this is actually the patio of this specific unit. It's beautiful. You got wet bar, you got your grill, you got your refrigerator. I think that's an ice maker down there as well. And this specific unit, you're actually on the end. It's actually a corner unit. Now this is the main entrance to this unit, which we'll get into. And you also have a stairwell as well right here, which you'll need a key to access the door downstairs there too. Now your studio is right here. And this is basically set up like a hotel room. I can't get into that. I'll throw some pictures to overlay it, but you can kind of get a feel for the size of it. And then you do have a window on the frontage on the outside here. All right, so first walk in. Got a window here. Your kitchen to the right. Now that door brings you out to your patio out there. Split floor plan. You got your master on this side, and then you got the guest bedroom on this side. Got a door going into your guest bathroom here. And then you got your guest bedroom. Now it looks like a double pocket door on your guest bedroom. Yeah. Got a double pocket door, which is nice. You can open it up. It's nice and bright in here. A lot of windows. And then you have another balcony off of the back of this, which is kind of cool. Just a small balcony out here. Then you got your master. Nice and bright in here. Large master bathroom. You got your double vanity, big tub, shower. You can always combine those. And you do have a window going out to the front there. Got a linen closet. You have a fairly large walk-in closet here too. Alright, let's get out to the patio here. Check out this kitchen real quick. Not bad. Wouldn't have to do really anything to this place. Black appliances work. Got some additional space here. Spare water heater, HVAC. Got to change that filter. I'm assuming this is washer and dryer. And you actually have a laundry tub there too. So your washer and dryer set up. And now, so again, this is your walkway coming out. It's fenced off with being an end unit here. You're not going to really have people walking past your unit unless they prominently take the stairs. But this is a big area. Got at least a table for 6, 2 big chairs here. Got a refrigerator out here. I think this is, yeah, a little ice maker. Got your grill. Got your wet bar set up. You can probably put cabinets up here as well. Probably a TV. Yeah, it's set for electric and cable. Run a TV right there. Now if I go up to the top floor, there's a pretty big rooftop balcony deal up here, which is kind of cool. All the buildings have it too. I'm sure you can put your own chairs and patio set up here. It doesn't look like anybody really necessarily uses it up here. And this one even has a door, so I don't know if this is specific to a unit or not. Same thing with this one. But nobody uses these. You can almost get a peek of the Gulf. Last but not least, here you go. You got the pool here. Got bathrooms on this side. Got a shower, pool. We got a little cheeky hut for gatherings or whatever the case is.